hello, how are you? And welcome to Road Odyssey. I am Burke. Hope y'all are having a fantastic day. And so this video, spine-tingling video, is about Classics Round the Square Car Show, Emory, Texas. And you know what? I haven't shaved because I'm just chilling out, having a nice weekend. And that's what happened when I went down to Emory, Texas to the car show. It was relaxing, saw lots of good people, good friends, and fantastic cars. And that's what it's all about, relaxing and having fun. So why delay this any further? Let's see the spine-tingling classic car show at Emory, Texas. Annual Classics Round the Square. Here we go. Here's the flyer for this year's show. This was another quick ad that I found on Facebook. And for everybody that participated in the show, they had a bag packed full of goodies. So you're wondering where Emory is. Well, it's the little red dot in between all these other cities. It is west of Dallas, west of Rockwall, south of Greenville, Commerce, Sulphur Springs, up there on 30. It is north of Terrell, Kaufman, Canton, Mineola, north of 80. And as you keep going east, you could run into Gilmer, Winsboro, and several other neat little cities. It's pretty much in the crosshairs of 69 and 19. Very easy to get to. And just a little bit south on 19 is one of the sponsors of this car show, A&R Restorations, owned by Alan and Ronnie. Please check out my video of the shop tour that I do for A&R Restorations. It is a killer car shop. No kidding. Alan, one of the owners of A&R Restorations, got a couple of pictures of cars showing up early in the morning. I believe he said they were getting there either at 6:30 or 7:30 a.m. Fire department stopped by for a little while, showed off their nice fire truck. And here's just a couple of fun shots out in front of the courthouse. Some very nice cars. So let me start showing you video clips going clockwise, starting at the southeast corner of the car show. I don't plan on talking a lot. I just would like to let y'all listen to some music, look at kind of what this show is like, and I would encourage you, if you're in the area or live in the area, please come on out. This is a really nice show. Well, hope y'all enjoyed seeing some of these cars. It was really very nice. Super, super great people, and they're fine, fine machines. So with that, relax, take it easy like I am, and have a fantastic day. See you later. Bye.